Hi, today we wanted to walk you through our professional services calendar and resource planning tool. This app got started because we did a survey of a number of our professional services customers, and we came to find out that virtually none of them were using Salesforce for actual revenue forecasting. And by actual revenue forecasting, I mean the ability to look out and look at what you've got booked for this month and this quarter and when those projects are going to be delivered. And then we also asked them what was the number one thing they saw missing in Salesforce, and the most common answer was some sort of calendar view to be able to manage projects, look at your resources, see where an individual is staffed, and plan and move those projects around on a calendar view. So we have a really simple app that is this dashboard right here, which allows a professional services organization or anyone who does project-based business to look at what they've got booked month, quarter, and year, forecast, and long shot, or things that are in the pipeline but may or may not happen. See all of that data, as well as have the context for all the projects that their resources are working on. And then from within that core screen, you can drill into any of those projects and resources. So it's this overview Visualforce page, and then it's a set of other objects: projects, resources, and resource assignments. The way those come together, we have a basic project object. It's linked to an account. Each project has a budget, may or may not have a budget associated with it. And as I drill into that project, I can see that underlying that project, I have a set of resource assignments where I link an individual with a project. And in this case, that resource assignment, let's just pull one up, is marked as Brian is my resource. He starts on June 29th, ends on September 15th. It has an amount, a status of whether it's likely to happen or not, or already booked, a commitment on his part of part-time or full-time, and then the type of work. So I'm going to go ahead and make some modifications here, and you can see how this works. I'm going to change that from $500 to $10,000. I'll change that from long shot to booked. I'm going to modify the dates a little bit. And you can see that underneath that resource assignment, I have a dollar amount for each of the months involved, and they're relatively small because it was a small project. But as soon as I click save, I now have updated my forecast, and it's evenly spread a monthly amount for that dollar amount, and I've updated the individual. And if I click through to the calendar, we'll see that when I scroll down to Brian's record, I now see that $10,000 project with the same dates associated with it that I saw on the underlying record, and I could drill through right from here into that resource assignment to see exactly the same information. So this is a really quick overview for a way that you can use the core of Salesforce is your cloud-based operating system for your business, and really effectively manage a project-based business with just a little bit of customization in Visualforce, but still using the same types of objects and tabs that you're very familiar with in Salesforce. Thanks. Bye.